Oh yes. Wima Fest ilipigwa
sana
na ikaweza
vizuri.
Oh yes.
Letwa kajeta go board che agathaya Dennis.
This was a Jen Goni Watho ita good afternoon.
It's Monday tariki 25 mweri wa kanana.
Oh yes.
This is back to school week.
It is back to school week. Omothi okoro he mundu sava ga handu biasaine yaku kana hari ruta wira. Mundu othe weto muciari we na mwana thukuru ri. Umumiriria hota gukumatiria ciugo. Nitũrĩte bithi amwe na amwe tũrarĩha rũcio. Yes.
Rĩu tikwendaga waciari nĩ ũrĩa matindĩkĩtwo nĩ maũndũ.
Nĩtũgũkorwo tũthitĩte kidogo. Tondũ kwenda mũndũ na ciana kuma 3-4 bithi thikũ ici raithi. Yes.
Ĩna ithuka.
Wega. Rĩu mũtũmbĩrĩrie kiumia gĩkĩ. Yes.
No Ngai akĩrĩ o mwega.
Absolutely.
You are well?
I am doing well yourself.
I am well, not bad.
Yes.
Niko sambamba.
Great.
Umeamua kutisia mande na suti wa black.
Unajua sasa ni mande. Unachapa pinstripe kidogo wanajua hata wewe hapana mende.
Ugeletera ini ya njonjo.
Wega biyo ni kanjonjo kadogo. Unibebe hadi mbele ya kirindi. Oh yes.
Vai yaja ina fote.
Au hanjonjo ri. Ukurungwa mwena wa haha.
Wa modo.
Mwena wa thendi. Mwena wa thendi.
Laini no yo. No riu nao nĩ kĩrĩ ikĩro na distance.
Yes. There is a difference between looking right and being right. Oh yes.
Ine.
Ndio, ona muthoni.
Ona muthoni wa wanja.
Oh wonderful. There she is.
The lady who was working tirelessly for Wima Fest success.
Oh, I tell you, wonderful, wonderful lady.
Mena wa Ngoi wa Ndirango.
Oh yes. Na mundu gwitwo Filipo.
Na Filipo Nyamu.
Good work. Oh yes.
Kazi safi.
Ndio.
Haha. Wewe kinya Saturday.
Yes.
He.
Yes.
Unadio twambie ha.
Yes. Reure. Wima Fest 3. Yes. The much awaited. Yes. That influencer. Mutandao ine wetagwo Waithira ametaka the Vertical Festival. Wima. Yes. Bredaya. Asante sana.
Twambe tucokerie Ngai ngatho.
Yes.
For the success of Wima Fest.
Absolutely.
Tondũ ithuĩ nĩ gũbanga twabangire nake Mwathani agĩkinyanĩria.
Nĩ gũtanya twatanyĩte. Nake Jehova na tha ciake na wendo wake mũingĩ arakinyanĩria. Yes.
Tucoke rĩu tucokerie ngatho mũndũ wothe.
Yes.
Ũranyitire itemi inene kana inini.
Absolutely.
Na mũndũ wokire.
Yes.
Asante sana.
We are very grateful for your support. Kuma Wima Fest 1, 2 and 3. Thank you for our wonderful creatives, talents. You showcased Mulima at its finest. Oh yes, absolutely.
Asante sana.
Asante zaidi.
Ona andũ arĩa matahotire gũka no nĩ ma supportire in whatever way.
Oh yes.
Thank you so much.
Asante sana. Ndio tukimacokeria ngatho o mwoguo. But Wima Fest iliweza.
Saturday.
Iliweza. MKU Pavilion. Na kundu kuu tuko kuhera ni marokire.
Yeah. And it was a fantastic.
It was fantabulous.
Colorful.
Oh yes. Ikaenda vizuri sana watu wakashekeshwa.
Na by the way adu arugongori.
Yes.
Na andu aituri.
Yes.
Wameanza kudunga wakienda my events.
Wanadunga. Mlima siku za tutaki mchezo.
It's no joke.
Kungara.
Everybody put their best foot forward.
Kudonjo. Yes. Wewe na Captain Otosa roragia ini Lua Festival ama ni Kikuyu.
Ni ama kilio nake.
Ni agagire. Munaweka 10 ya milioni 1. The friend of mine weta wana dos. Alikuwaje? Walikuwa munaweka 10 ya milioni 1. Stage ya 1 million. Munawekea watu paka regular kama VIP. Kwani mulibadilisha culture yenyu.
Kou nikuo gwiturira.
Yes. Kou nikuo gwikatia.
Gwiturira.
Yes. And of course we had some new entrants at Wimmerfest, and it will only get better. Yes.
As we move forward.
Absolutely. Yes.
It was good.
Ndo to do amani aro karamera. Then didn't go on us. You akirubate no go near the end you okay. You know go near the end.
It was good.
It was very wow. Thank you very much, Felipe wa Felipe Cabs. Na mudhuri wako to Juniper. Felipe wa Felipe Cabs na Juniper mena nyota wa Finsta Motors. Niyo mara twaira mutongoro wa mitakayo turaingeria nayo. Na ndimuhurangire thimu kuma rugongo. Yurio kana he kaundu ndirenda.
Mukuru ahuriire ajuria tiri. Ndiraigua murakuo ni mitoka ya nene. Na mukaumangario ni birithi.
Atiriri. Ndiraigua murokia ta kindiki. It was a grandiose entrance, and thank you for celebrating us.
Asante sana.
Thank you, Felipe. Thank you, Mudhuriti Juniper na nyota Finsta Motors for facilitating that. Na modogo wetu Gethua wa traffic. Thank you sana.
Asante sana.
Onaenda keigwira ngone ne kioro bagiriro.
Onene we mwago. Angorana na maigua goguo.
Ithiriri. Matama umembera ni ndaigwira kiondo tandamwatha.
Na kengora.
Ndaigwira tandathandu. Momono ni aretio nene.
Yoke umagario ne ahutira ida.
Andu me hau thutha.
Na esco.
Yes. Mara andu kapsuli ndio. Na andu abisha million. Ngande kiona ne wende tu oguo. Ate pacha we ugura no pacha. Mwono yo ge pacha. Uyo ge chua. Ya undu kaunde karokire wega.
Aundu karare kega kau.
Na motoka ucio turokie naguo ndurira ivi.
Hapana.
Yes.
Hapana.
It's an in leather interior. Convertible. Ndu igithwa rau andu no mecie ni rufu thuku.
Ya muri akwihingura.
Ni arehingurire. Yari kari ndu maruga ati ikongiura.
Ni kunekaga.
Dada sana ruga ikongiura. Ne kutoke kure.
Ni cokagia ngobia.
Ni cokagia kingeti. That was very colorful. Konyora, the man.
MC of the day.
Oh, yes.
Man.
And I'm an MC, and he was also an act. Yes.
It does not happen many times.
It does not happen. And you know, a man who redefines these two characters like that, it's not easy. Yes.
Thank you, Konyore.
Asante sana. Mambo ilichemka vizuri sana.
Sana.
Na mudo wetu extra ngamu. Twende mundu rio tano kari aigwe thuthuria twabanga kanari ogoka please urahatukirwo
mwagole urari kundu kuu ri
Shamindo araringithia rwimbo Wanja Sari
araigirira
nje yeni gakuhe
araringithia
mundu gwitwo Monjamba Joy wa Macharia araringithia Galoya wa Pedolo ane Galoya raumire thubukia
by the way came all the way from Subukia
urio thimorero ni uraririo
no agweta no now
we uka ihenya
ndirame hinya yumbuke
uka Elija kururia yes
na mheshimiwa Karofia
ginya Grace City Karofia no Ayala Grace City alikuwa huko yes
watu wengi
wonderful influencers yes tulifurahi
sana amemerekia kama amekayuka muige
wegata proper matongoretio ni Mlima Queen
Gekeiga
asikia watu walikisema ati zitafuta stage ya kushuka zikakosa yera wishuke shike kwa ndio bera mwicho
thingija mwicho
no ya turare gwiturira
uri kuo gwiturira
edi Aya.
Mwago nayo.
Mwago nayo iliweza ri. I am looking forward to Wima Fest 4. Na tunaipanga itapigwa. Oh yes.
Sana.
Our wonderful sponsors. Moshewa United Paints.
Oh, United Paints and Unicolor.
Unicolor. Absolutely. Ucho ndali aturekia kuma Wima Fest 1. Yes.
He has been there all along.
MKU Pavilion.
Oh.
Mount Kenya University.
Nio mana tuhete ground dio.
Oh yes.
Ogwe igana.
Asconi Winery. Asante sana Morisi Mbare Papa Mchazo Baba Tata. Thank you very much.
Kameme kayukamu ige.
Absolutely.
Kameme TV.
Oh yes.
Gazeti ya People Daily.
Absolutely.
Media Max Limited.
Oh yes.
Asante sana our CEO.
Oh yes, absolutely. Thank you for always believing in us. Na gotu hengi nyamueke tuigangale na kameme gaka tutugataga. Shipping with wonder. Wakurera andoido kuma mulimo na kurega guku. Thank you so much.
Asante.
Absolutely. It was a blast.
Muago mutheri.
Wegata wega.
Kuanja andu aria makinyire tene ni mari na time ya kwegangara.
Wegata proper. Oh yes.
It was beautiful.
Irongo Nyakera, my good friend. Thank you very much. Nyago ya do tigiti ado neigana.
Ando igana rimwe. He actually called me. Ni agire na ka emergency that Saturday. Tondu wari okay. Akige kaundu ka hinahi. So he was to come, but thank you ni arugamiria ando igana rimwe.
Oh yes.
Thank you so much Mheshimiwa Irongo Nyakera.
And a special thank to the Coca-Cola company as well. Asante sana for coming through. Muteru wa Luna. Thank you. Ando Matinangara. Muteru wa Luna area kamete kona. Ando Matinangara
ni maraikarire musuri.
Oh yes.
Nitwagota MKU.
Oh yes.
Na matu na timu yake yothe ya MKU Pavilion.
Oh, you did a remarkable job.
Asante.
Thank you very much. Global Events Joy Moshebe.
Sasa huyo ni mupangi wa mambo.
Always coming through. Adimo mono Moshebe.
Asante.
Absolutely. Oh yes. And of course the organizing committee of the JKA Wima Fest. Brand manager wangu Iwadirangu. Of course Muthoni Babanja. Fili Vokebo Nyoanyamu. Asante sana.
Asante sana.
Always got our back. Asante. Na karika uga Felipe nengo mwetia weekend ino. Nengo mwetia. Felipe Kabska Hayas. Nyonekana no hiuke na Wima Fest. Eko ria
Saturday. Kule mwisho wa reli.
Nengo mwetia.
Nenjaga.
Mena muthuri cweta wo Juniper. Ni oratwire jeep.
Muthoni tugathie kuria Wima Fest Saturday.
Wima Fest ni tugathie.
Yes.
No mutanarikia hu hagucokia ngatho ri.
Yes.
Itikiria ina gitio kinene. Ndimucokerie ngatho.
Asante.
Ndungikoro ithugunda riri tinyu mokire nario tutingirari nario. Tutingirari na kundu wa guthi gwiturira. Na tu mona monengero kanyamu kau muragatwarithio wega. Okay gakathie.
Na ukio hitukite
kanyamu.
Gari iyo. Ona inyo ni mufati gucokerio ngatho muno ni gutunyita ogeni ona ni gutuhe mweke ucio wa kumuteithiriria gubanga event iyo ona inyo muigue mu appreciated and you guys are goats GOAT.
Yes.
Tivoli. Greatest of all
time.
Thank you very much. Yes.
Thank you.
Naanza kuango tege. Marati wangu Wima.
Asante huo.
Are you looking forward to Wima Fest 4?
Oh yes, I'm so ready.
It will be sooner than you expect. Yes.
Na matonyo muraroria.
Yeni.
Ni mwana mundu ndagiuga bumete so ina mioro.
We don't show ine gogo. Show ine kwa morena. Oje no era maisha boni na tumeta kwa Zanetti James.
No, mwathire wega.
Thank you.
Asante ni sana.
Asante sana. Riu ende our own Mulima Maestro
Jogu. I got TikTok and video today. He belted out tunes like a sound of a cat which is about to meet its demise.
But true to his word,
yes.
Jogu ndari ahura show githemba kiu.
That was a phenomenal.
On Saturday he outdid himself.
No, remarkably. I tell you, the Mulima Maestro.
Aringithirie nyamo cibi.
Isivao nyamo cibi. Na kigutha kapera.
Na agicoka arikia agithoma mohoro macio.
Yes. Andu magĩtĩkania atĩ nĩ aina wega no makĩrega aine rĩngĩ. Wawacira ni aina wega. Aina rĩngĩ. Thank you. The mountain is funny.
54